Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my podcast. Welcome back to my page, YouTube channel, Kudzimadzro podcast. I want to podcast something. I want to say something. I want to talk about something. I want to speak about something right now. Another video, another episode. Mm, right. You saw the video title and you did well because you you are telling me that you can read very well. How do you know this African is broke? And do I mean by broke? Maybe is poor, maybe doesn't have money, maybe is down on the ground. Yeah, something of this sort, something of this nature. How do you know that this African is broke or maybe is poor? Something like that. I hope you get the idea what I'm trying to say to you, what I'm trying to communicate to you. This one is broke, maybe poor, not rich, suffering in life, struggling in life, doesn't have money or has got small money. Yes. Point number one, like I said, like I said in another video, I'm talking about any African because as Africans, we share the same attributes, same characteristics as Africans. From whatever country, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, Rwanda, Togo, Gabon, Burkina Faso, Malawi, Lesotho, Swaziland, Namibia. Whatever country in Africa, as long in Africa, within the African region, African continent, we usually share more or less the same characteristics. So hence I'm just branding this video or labeling this video as African, a broke African, a poor African, somebody on the ground, poor, wretched, with nothing. They're struggling, they're suffering. You understand? They've no money or they've less money, they've small money, something of this nature, something of this sort. I hope now you get the message, you get the idea. Point number one, the dressing can tell you how they dress can tell you that there's a problem here, there's an issue here, how they dress on their body, whatever gender, as a man, as a woman, as a guy, as a girl, how they dress every day of their lives, either dressing in public, dressing when they go out in public, or when they're private, in a private area, private space, how they dress on their body can tell you that this one, I think there's a problem. He or she needs help. You understand? Help from maybe from the government or help from family members or help from friends. He or she needs help maybe from charity organizations or from charity associations. So the dressing can tell you a lot of things about the type of that person, kind of that person. You understand? Then even the way they talk can give you a clue. The way they talk, the kind of words. A broke person has got a certain language. A broke person has got a certain aura, a certain vibe that he or she can give you. A broke African man, African woman, a broke person has got an aura, a vibe that he or she can give you when they are chatting with them, when you are conversing with them, when you are talking with them. So after 5 minutes, you can know this one, I think he or she is broke. After 10 minutes, after 1 hour into the conversation, into that dialogue, you can know this one. I think there's a problem here. I think she needs help. I think he needs help from the government, from the family, from the parents, from the friends, or from the bank, whatever source of help, or from God Almighty. Things like that. Just by words, when you're talking with them. Like I said, broke people got a certain language, a certain vibe that they can give you when they're talking with them. So if you're wise, if you're intelligent, if you're clever in your mind, clever in your brain, you can pick it up like, okay, this one is broke. You can pick it up very fast. If you're clever, if you're wise, if you're super intelligent, you can pick it up. That okay, I see. You understand? Right. Look at the house where they're staying. Look at the house. Look at accommodation that they have. Look at the property that they are staying. You can have an idea that, okay, something's happened here. Look at the house, the home, where they are staying. Maybe as a family or as an individual, the flat, the house, the room. You can have an idea that this one is broke. This one is broke. This African is broke. Look at the house. You can have an idea, a random clue. You can have a hint that this one, she needs help, or he needs help, or these people, they need help by looking at the house, the accommodation. Why? Because this is where they stay every day. This is where they reside every day. This is where they accommodate themselves every day as a family, as a person, as an individual, one person in a room or flat or house, whatever. So you can know that they need help in terms of accommodation, they need help in terms of rooms, they need help in terms of shelter, something of this nature, something of this sort. So you can know that this African man, African guy, African girl, African woman, he or she is broke because of the house, because of the room where they are staying, because of the property, accommodation property where they are staying. Very simple things that you can use to know. Or these people, this caliber of people, this kind of people, this type of people, they can tell themselves that, you know what, I'm broke. I was in a country by the name South Africa, and I saw this behavior, this action, this attitude in South Africa. Like, I could hardly spend a day. I was at my university, at my campus. I could hardly spend a day without hearing a South African saying to me, you know what, I'm broke. This is their language, this is their mindset or mentality. They always talk about, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke. So you can hear a person, whatever gender, telling you that I'm broke. Then you can know, okay, you're broke, okay. Forget about the dressing that they may put on, or the car that they may be driving, or the food that they may be eating. You understand? So some of these things, you can forget about them and listen to what is coming from their mouth, from their lips, when they're talking, speaking with you, chatting, conversing with you, communicating with you. And they can tell that, you know what, I'm broke. So this country, the people there, I would hear this every day at my campus, at my university. I'm broke, like a song. Either a girl or a guy. South Africans sing, I'm broke, I'm broke. So you can know when they open up themselves, when they confide in you, that you know what, I'm broke. Hey, my brother, I'm broke. My sister, I'm broke. My mother, I'm broke. My father, I'm broke. Oh, my leader, do you know that I'm broke? My chairman, my president, or my minister, my MP. Something of this nature, something of this sort, something of this kind. When they open up themselves, confide in you, tell you themselves without you asking them, without you asking them. So this is how you can know that this one is broke. There's no money, or there's small money, there's little money, there's tiny money. For whatever reason, for whatever purpose in life, either for business or for investment or for family food, to buy groceries, or maybe for rent, whatever in life, as people, as human beings in this modern world, in the 21st century. So this is how you can know. Of course, I've left a lot of points, but for the purpose of this video, I've done justice to what I wanted to communicate, what I want to say. I'm done talking.